You see it? I have a cup. Do you think it's going to sink or float? Here we go. I think it's going to float. Am I right, guys? It was floating, but guess what happened? It filled up with water. See? It floats until it fills up with water, and then it would go down into the ocean.
Wow.
What's this? Piece of candy. You think it's going to sink or float?
Float.
It sunk right away. Look at it. Went right to the bottom.
Oh my goodness.
I thought that would float.
Me too.
This is a rock.
Oh, boy.
Do you think it's going to sink or do you think it's going to float?
I think it's gonna float.
You think it's going to float? Let's try. Here we go. Went right to the bottom. Nothing left to float. What's this?
Slow.
You think it's going to sink or float?
Float.
I think it's going to float. Ah, we did it. It's floating. Well, I got a couple more tricks up my sleeve. You think, what's this? Popsicle stick. It's flat, like wood. Almost some boats are made out of wood, right? What color is it?
Green.
Green. Do you think it's going to sink or do you think it's going to float?
Float.
Me too. I think it's going to float. It floats. It floats perfectly, just like a boat. Okay, what's this?
A coin.
It is
A coin. Good job. It's money and a coin. Or you can say a quarter. Do you think it's going to sink or float?
Order. I think it's gonna sink.
Me too. I think it's a little heavy. You see, it's made out of like metal. Like it's not light. And what shape is it before I sink it? Do you know?
Made of metal.
A circle.
A circle. You're too smart for me. You ready? It sunk. Do you see it in there? It's right under the popsicle stick. It sunk right away. Here's my little tugboat. Sink or float?
Sink. Float. Float.
Huh? It's floating. That's exciting.
Rainbow.
This is really light. It's a coffee filter. Do you think it's going to sink or float?
It's gonna float, I think.
Yes, it is. See it floating? But I think when it starts to get really wet, it's going to go under, right? Because it's like paper,
You're right.
right? What do you guys think? Fun?
Fun.
See all that stuff that we sunk and float? What?
Can we repeat?